I am Louis XIV, King of France, son of Louis XIII and Anne of Austria. I ascended the throne when I was just 5 years old. The kingdom was handed over to my mother's regency and the government to Cardinal Mazzarino. After my marriage to Maria Theresa of Austria, I took over the government to make France a hegemonic power in the European context. Basing myself on absolutist theories as monarch, I unleashed a series of measures such as limiting the powers of the aristocracy, suppressing the attributions and competences of Parliament, transferring the court to Versailles, where I built a palace to match my magnificence, built a series of palaces and gardens, annexes, in a clear display of power and sovereignty over all my subjects. I launched a policy of protecting letters, the sciences and the arts, creating the Royal Academy of Painting and Sculpture in 1648, through which I formalized the classical language as the standard for artistic production, according to the values of order, harmony and proportion. Versailles was the symbol of the absolute state. Daily court life was conceived as a theatre play, while I became a myth. Any act or public appearance was a ceremony. Convinced of my divine origin, the Sun King's court was understood as a cosmos, and the solar myth was used as a metaphor. Around the Star King revolved the stars on which the star depended. My daily life also became a veritable cult. Every personal act was subject to ceremonies and rituals regulated in protocol books and monitored by courtiers. However, the extravagant spending on my court and its hegemonic and expansionist policy squandered the state coffers. Continued wars against Spain, Holland, the Austrian Empire and the German princes left the country in ruins. I died at Versailles on the 1st of September 1715.